Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Ready to take your home security into your own hands? Installing a CCTV camera might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than you think. With a little guidance, that's where I come in. And a can-do attitude, you'll be monitoring your domain like a pro in no time. We'll walk through each step together, from gathering your tools to fine-tuning your camera's view. No tech jargon, no complicated instructions, just clear and simple steps to empower you to boost your home security. So are you ready to become your own security superstar? Let's do this. Before we dive into the installation, let's assemble our toolkit. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy gadgets, just a few household items and some basic tools. Here's your checklist. Your trusty drill. This is our MVP for making holes for mounting. Screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. Essential for securing screws and connecting wires. A pencil or marker for marking drilling spots. Measure twice, drill once. A stud finder to make sure your camera mount is anchored securely. Cable clips, optional, for neatening up those pesky wires. Your CCTV Camera Kit. This should include the camera, power adapter and any mounting hardware. Got everything? Fantastic. Now you're officially ready to tackle this installation like a pro. Choosing the right location for your camera is crucial for optimal surveillance. Consider these factors. Coverage area. What do you want your camera to see? High traffic areas like entrances, backyards and driveways are good starting points. Height. Mounting your camera higher offers a wider field of view and makes it harder to tamper with. Lighting. Ensure adequate lighting for clear footage, especially at night. Consider cameras with night vision capabilities. Obstacles. Avoid placing the camera behind tree branches or other obstructions that could hinder its view. Wiring. Choose a spot with easy access to a power outlet if you're not using a wireless camera. Remember, the goal is to maximize visibility and minimize blind spots. Take your time, walk around your property and visualize the camera's perspective before making your final decision. With your location locked in, it's time to mount that camera. This is an exciting step because it means you're one step closer to having a more secure home. But before we dive into the technicalities, let's make sure we have everything we need. First things first, always prioritize safety. Safety isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial part of any installation process. Make sure you're wearing the appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from any potential hazards. If you're working at a height, use a sturdy ladder and have someone hold it steady for you. This is especially important to prevent any accidents. A stable ladder ensures that you can work comfortably and safely without the risk of falling. Now let's get to mounting one. Mark the spot. This is where your camera will be placed, so take your time to ensure it's the perfect location. Using your pencil or marker, mark the drilling spots for your camera mount. These marks will guide you in the next steps, so make sure they're accurate. Double-check the position before drilling. 2. Drill pilot holes. This step is crucial for ensuring that your screws go in smoothly and hold the mount securely. Using a drill bit slightly smaller than your screw size, drill pilot holes at your marked spots. This will make it easier to insert the screws and will help prevent the wall from cracking. 3. Secure the mount. Align the camera mount with the pilot holes and secure it using the provided screws. Ensure it's firmly attached. A secure mount is essential for the stability of your camera. 4. Attach the camera. Most cameras have a simple twist and lock mechanism to attach them to the mount. This makes the process quick and easy, allowing you to get your camera up and running in no time. Follow the instructions in your camera's manual. Each camera may have specific requirements or steps, so it's important to read through the manual carefully. That's it. Your camera is now securely mounted and ready for action. Take a moment to adjust the angle and ensure it's capturing the desired area. Congratulations on a job well done. Section 5. The wiring connecting your camera's lifeline. Now comes the part that might seem a bit intimidating, but fear not. Wiring your camera is simpler than it looks. We'll break down the wiring process into manageable steps. First, identify the cables. This is crucial because using the wrong cable can lead to connectivity issues. Your camera kit should include a power adapter and, depending on the model, a video cable, usually BNC or HDMI. These cables are essential for both powering your camera and transmitting video signals. Next, connect to the camera. This step involves attaching the power and video cables to the camera itself. Locate the corresponding ports on your camera and connect the cables. These ports are usually labeled, making it easier to identify where each cable goes. They usually have a specific shape or color coding to guide you. This design helps prevent incorrect connections, ensuring your setup is smooth and error-free. Then connect to the DVR or power source. This step is crucial for the camera to function correctly. If you're using a DVR, connect the video cable to the designated input port. This allows the DVR to receive the video feed from your camera. Connect the power adapter to a power outlet. Ensure the outlet is functioning properly to avoid any power issues. Finally, neatly route the cables. This not only makes your setup look professional, but also prevents any potential tripping hazards. Use cable clips if you have them, to keep the wires organized and prevent tripping hazards. These clips can be easily attached to walls or baseboards. Once everything is connected, it's time to move on to the setup process. This involves configuring your camera settings to ensure optimal performance. Section 6, Wireless Wonders, setting up your Wi-Fi camera with ease. In this section, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get your wireless camera up and running in no time. If you opted for a wireless camera, congratulations, you've made a great choice for convenience and flexibility. You've saved yourself some wiring hassle. No more drilling holes or running cables through walls. Setting up a wireless camera is usually a breeze. First, download the app. This app will be your main tool for managing and viewing your camera's feed. Most wireless cameras have a dedicated mobile app. These apps are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Download and install the app specified in your camera's instructions. Make sure to follow the steps carefully to avoid any issues. Next, power up the camera. This usually involves plugging it into a power source. Connect the camera to a power source. Ensure the connection is secure to avoid any interruptions. It might take a minute or two to boot up. Once it's ready, you'll need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your camera to your home's Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial for remote access. You'll need your Wi-Fi password handy. Make sure you have it written down or easily accessible. After that, create an account. This account will be used to log in and access your camera's features. The app will guide you through creating an account and setting up any necessary security features. These features are important for protecting your privacy and ensuring that only authorized users can access the camera feed. And voila! Your wireless camera is now online and ready to stream live footage directly to your smartphone or computer. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can monitor your space from anywhere at any time. Section 7, testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you see me? With your camera all hooked up, it's time for the moment of truth, the test run. First, check the live feed. Access the live feed from your DVR, computer or mobile app. Can you see a clear image? Next, adjust the camera angle. If needed, loosen the camera's adjustment screws slightly and reposition it to achieve the desired field of view. Then test the features. Experiment with any pan, tilt, zoom or night vision features your camera might have. Finally, record and playback. Record a short video clip to ensure the recording function is working correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully installed your CCTV camera like a true DIY champion. Section 8. Share your success and maybe a funny installation story or two. We'd love to hear about your installation experience. Share your success stories, any challenges you overcame, or even a funny anecdote or two from your DIY adventure. Did you discover a hidden talent for cable management? Did your pet try to lend a helping paw or claw? Let us know in the comments below. Section 9. Ready for more DIY adventures, feeling empowered by your CCTV installation success? Don't stop there. There's a whole world of exciting DIY projects waiting for you to conquer. From smart home upgrades to energy-saving solutions, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow guides and expert tips. Follow us for more inspiration, and let's keep the DIY momentum going.